Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be going down Rua dos Ervanários, which is this little alley right here. I'm going to be looking for a place called Aveiro, which is kind of new, and they have some really famous foods that's very popular with in Macau right now, including especially the Portuguese community, but actually just for the whole city. I think, as far as I know, to me it is, to the people that I'm familiar with. I'm familiar with a lot of Portuguese people, of course, because there's a lot of Portuguese, really cool Portuguese people in Macau. So anyways, we're gonna go down in Ervanários, and then we're gonna stop at Aveiro. Saw these cool alleys everywhere here. So this is gonna be our target street. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna play a 75-second video where I just kind of highlight some of the more interesting stuff, and then we're gonna come back and do a walk and talk, just like I am right now, where you'll hear me interact with Aveiro if it's open, if I can get their specialty there. And also you'll just see the street as well, what it looks like. I'll explain why it's kind of a rainy, wet, typhoon-ish day, because it is a typhoon. Anyways, let's go down our street.
Oh, come on now. Come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. It's a beautiful day. Find a way, oh what a day, you gotta find a way. Oh come on now, come on Macau. Come on now, come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go, come on now, oh come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now, oh come on Macau. Come on Macau, go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh go, 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 I gotta go. I gotta go.
Street of the Herbalists, and this one is right after a typhoon, so it's a little bit quiet. It can be very busy, but I was walking around during the category 8 right before it turned into the category 3, and so hence the music, which has a little bit of post-typhoon reference to it, and which is kind of common in late August, early September, which is right about now. And anyways, I'm going to go into the walk and talk where I bring my camera and walk around. And yeah, let's show you what it looks like in Ervanários Street, which is also the street of the herbalist. A little bit of Macau history there for you. All right, let's get into it. Macau. Okay, so we are going to go down our Ervanários Street. And yeah, it's actually a category 8, going to go down to category 3 at 2 p.m, which is right about now. It's about 2 p.m. right now. And we are on Ervanários Street, which is like street of the herbalist. And you have this beautiful black and white pedestrian street. And because of the typhoon, a lot of these shops are still closed, but they're going to be opening up any minute. So I hope Aveiro is open. And there's some shops that are open right now, including the coffee shop here, which is really popular and well known as well. So hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very good.
Yeah,
So there's a bike show coming up? Oh, that's a nice poster. So, yeah, sounds good. Bye. So they got a nice coffee shop right here on the corner of Ervanários. So this is one of the entry spots into the alley. And it's also very popular. You'll see people here pretty much all the time, especially the tourists will come through as well, because right now it's a typhoon still. So the streets are kind of quiet, but that one is open. We're gonna go down further in a second, but I just want to show off some of these little alleys, including this one, which has the see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. And then this is the parallel street where the traffic can come down. But generally not a lot of traffic comes down. Okay, so let's go back down our Ervanários street. And then we're going to be walking all the way down. But before we go down, I just want to highlight there's also these other little cool stuff everywhere. So that's going to be our target street. But there's also little places that go all the way down into these little patios. So I think I'm going to go down slightly and just kind of show you what's in here, including bird cages, lanterns. So it's kind of cool space. Little patios. So yeah, it looks really nice. And you got these really beautiful lanterns as well. And the bird cages too, right? So those are all in this area as well. And there's these little patios. So this is like a little patio. And they're right off of Rua dos Ervanários as well. So we're going to continue down and we're going to be looking for Ervanários. Got some nice artwork as well. Like a little Coca-Cola thing. Okay. Got lots of antique shops in here too. Little lanes that go through as well. I think the history of this would be kind of going towards the, you got your typical Portugal part, you know, and then this would be historically, this would have been going outside of the historical part a little bit towards the border gate. So I think that's why you'll see more of these small little shops, sort of shop house kind of style, because of the history. Huh, this is a Thai one, has like Thai tea, Tan Cha. That looks kind of interesting. They even have spicy, looks like a fusion kind of food. Macau pork chop bun is also there too. Even little alleys like that. Vegetarian. It's closed. There's that food truck. Is he? Pedro is the owner of here, Portuguese guy. There he is right there. Just say hi real quick.
Hello, Kevin.
This is Pedro from the food truck. And one time I was here, you were showing me that there was a typhoon.
Yeah.
And that went up to where?
1.60 m on the till
Right
here.
there. And you had a little line on the wall as well, right?
Before
So,
paint already.
so this is food truck. I'm going to turn the camera off and say hello a little bit. But this is a popular place right on Ervanários, popular with Pregos. And what's the one that Pedro that mostly Korean usually get?
Octopus salad.
Octopus salad. And you can see the giant octopus there. So that's food truck. So we're gonna continue on and see you,
Bye-bye,
Pedro.
guys.
Thank you. So come down here, support his business, food truck, right here on Ervanários. All right, Pedro. Ciao. So yeah, actually the typhoon, let me just show this real quick. So these are these little storm surges right here. So because of the typhoon, a lot of these went up. And it just kind of go back down. There's a lot of new stuff around here as well. Like this looks new, I haven't seen this before. Tapioca. And we're gonna see if the Avero is open. Looks like it's closed. It is possible to get didn't even see Pedro. And then this is the Vero, which is one that I wanted to check out as well. Okay, I'm gonna find out about it. So that's the Vero. They're gonna be opening up a little bit later, but this is where it's at, and this is actually a really popular place. A lot of people come and getting this right here. So, but that's where Vero's at as well. So you got food truck down that way, you got a Vero, and then you have a lot of antique shops. You have some new places like the Thai shop. So. And that's our street. So I'm gonna keep on going down. So yeah, it looks like the Vero has like a lot of kind of sweets and kind of interesting stuff. I'll definitely come by again, but I need to move along today. And then this is kind of the base. Let me just kind of flip around a little bit. Kind of come back a little bit like this. Actually, I gotta move along. It's a typhoon category 8, which everything was closed, so that's why things seem a little bit the way they are today. And you can actually see that as well because there's I'm gonna come by and film it for a second. And also, you can also see too that that's our Target Street. These. So we have to separate these right here because of the typhoon. And we're gonna walk down further down. And that's our Target Street right there. Ervanários. It's a very cool street. I'm going to go down a little bit further. And then this kind of goes into, I'm just going to go around the corner real quick and just kind of show you something. Got lots of stuff that's like antique stuff and cool stuff. And then this goes up to a nice walking street called Sao Paulo Ruins, St. Paul Street, stuff like that. And that's like right up on the other side of this building. Nice, beautiful pedestrian street. And then you come down here. And then here you have Mercadori Street, Street of the Markets, which is that one. And then you have a Stelligen Street right there that goes down to the pond, the harbor. And then you got our Target Street right there. So right at this spot you have several streets. You have Our Lady of, it's really busy with the cars right now. We have these Stelligen, all kinds of cool stuff. And this is our street. Yeah, it's starting to really liven up. The typhoon just ended, so you can kind of see the different energy of the street. Okay. There it is. So this is a Vero Portuguese pancake, and it's she was just telling me it's kind of a fusion, so it's like a Vero but also kind of their own recipes as well. So they got a menu with ovos moles and different things. So I'm definitely gonna come by here on a different day, and then I'll kind of highlight a video for that. But this is also on this nice little Ervanários street. And as another side, you have some really beautiful artwork everywhere. You have this little shop right next door too. And you can actually go all the way up to the top floor. And the food truck is just down the way a little bit, down that way. And I think this is a new one too. Tea and Pearl Artisans. So you do have a lot of interesting stuff. It's got a Coca-Cola museum as well. Gems. Okay, so we are going to end our video. That's also a coffee shop as well, the Porta de Art coffee shop, and they got I think a clothing boutique shop upstairs too. I did go up there to another video at a different time. Ervanários. Here's one final thing is this is all kind of a new building. This used to be a gem shop. But anyways, we're back at the base, and I just wanted to conclude by going back. I hadn't been to Vero before, so I heard about it, it's new, but I just wanted to just come by and say that I'm gonna go there later. So anyways,